Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to shop on Instagram. So in case you didn't know, there is Instagram shop where you can shop in Instagram. So what you need to do is you just need to find the shop that you want to do some shopping. For example, you can just go to the search column right here and then at the shop account in Instagram. You can see there are an option where you can view their shop, so just click on that, and here is their catalog, and you can see the products here and also the prices, and you can just click on one of them that you think then that you like or that you want to buy. For example, I want to buy this watch. This shop will be give you an option to view it on website, so you can just click on that and it will direct you to the website of the shop. You can just proceed the buying process in here. Okay, so that's all for me. That is how you can shop on Instagram. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe. See you on the next videos. Bye bye.